अगर आपको भी अंग्रेज़ी का कोई भी पैराग्राफ पढ़ने से डर लगता है, यानी इंग्लिश की किताब आप पढ़ते हैं और बार-बार अटक जाते हैं, बिना रुके अंग्रेज़ी पढ़ नहीं पाते, तो आज का यह वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज हम माय हॉबी का एक बहुत ही आसान और शानदार पैराग्राफ पढ़ेंगे। इस पैराग्राफ को अगर आप मेरे साथ रोज़ सिर्फ़ एक बार पढ़ेंगे, तो धीरे-धीरे आपकी इंग्लिश रीडिंग, प्रोनंसिएशन, वोकैब्युलरी और फ्लुएंसी अपने आप बेहतर होने लगेगी। याद रखिए, अंग्रेज़ी पढ़ना सीखने का सबसे आसान तरीका है रोज़ ज़ोर से पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करना। इसलिए इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिए, मेरे साथ पढ़िए और हर दिन इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। तो चलिए बिना समय बर्बाद किए शुरू करते हैं आज का माय हॉबी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस पैराग्राफ। ये पैराग्राफ है माय हॉबी, तो इसको धीरे धीरे हर वर्ड को एक एक करके पढ़ेंगे। माय हॉबी, एवरी वन has a hobby that makes life happier and more meaningful. A hobby is an activity that we enjoy doing in our free time. It refreshes our mind, reduces stress, and helps us learn new things. My hobby is reading books and learning something new every day. I believe that learning is a lifelong journey, and it is one of the best way to improve ourselves. Whenever I get some free time, I like to read books, magazines, articles, and educational materials. I especially enjoy reading books that increase my knowledge, improve my language skills, and teach me useful life lessons. Reading opens the door to a new world of ideas and imagination. It helps me think positively, and understand different people, cultures, and experiences. Reading is not only a source of knowledge but also a source of inspiration. Every good book teaches me something valuable. Some books help me become more confident, while others teach me patience, discipline, and kindness. I also enjoy reading stories because they improve my imagination and creativity. Another reason I love reading is that it improves my vocabulary and communication skills. Whenever I come across a new word, I try to learn its meaning, pronunciation, and correct usage. This habit has helped me become a better reader and writer. Reading also improves my grammar and sentence formation naturally. My hobby also includes learning new skills. I enjoy exploring different topics such as English language, grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, technology, history, science, and self improvement. Learning something new every day gives me confidence and keeps my mind active. Whenever I feel tired or stressed, I spend some time with a good book. It relaxes my mind and fills me with positive energy. Instead of wasting time on unnecessary activities, I prefer doing something productive that adds value to my life. A hobby also teaches us discipline. I try to read for at least a few minutes every day, even if I am busy. This daily habit has become an important part of my routine. Small efforts made every day bring great results. In the future, reading has also developed my thinking ability. It helps me solve problems, make better decisions, and understand situations from different perspectives. It has increased increased my curiosity and encouraged me to ask questions and search for answers. I believe that everyone should have a hobby because it makes life more interesting and enjoyable. A good hobby. A good hobby keeps us away from boredom and helps us use our time free time wisely. It also improves our personality and builds self confidence. My hobby has taught me that success comes from continuous learning and regular practice. Every page I reads read I read gives me new knowledge, new ideas, and new motivation. Motivation. I never stop learning because I know that knowledge is the greatest wealth a person can have. In the future, I want to continue reading more books and learning new things throughout my life. I believe that a person who loves learning never becomes old in knowledge. Reading has become more than just a hobby for me. It is a habit, a passion, and an important part of my life. It brings happiness, peace, confidence, and wisdom. I am proud of my hobby because it helps me become a better person every single day.